if the phone displays normally. But the touch is unresponsive. He plans to replace the entire screen. He received an Apple XR from a fan. The fan mentioned it had water damage. This caused some touch issues. After replacing the back cover, the camera also became loose. He will assist with that as well. First, he will test the screen for touch failures. Next, he will replace the touch screen. After opening the screen, the internal components of the phone appear quite complex. It seems to be a second-hand device. He starts by protecting the front camera. He removes the screen flex cable cover and unscrews the screen. Next, he uses a cutting wire to separate it. Care must be taken while separating the touch. Avoid touching the display. The separation is successful. He uses a rolling machine to handle the adhesive on the display. He then wipes off the residue with a lint-free cloth. Next, he takes out the new touch screen. He aligns it. Once aligned, he places it in the laminating machine. After processing, he puts it in the vacuum machine. He checks it and it looks perfect. After adjusting the camera, he can reassemble it. He screws in all the screws and connects the flex cable. He secures the screws on the pressure plate and powers it on for testing. It can be seen that it has fully returned to normal. Finally, he restores the airtightness by sealing the screen. The entire repair process is complete.